Hey, welcome to The Explainer. Today we're breaking down professional gate installation. All right, let's jump right in.
Okay, let's start with the big idea here. A great gate is all about security and your peace of mind.
You know, it's the first thing people see and you use it every day. So getting it right is crucial.
So how do you pick the right one? It all comes down to your needs. Let's look at the options.
First up, automatic gates. These are all about easy access, boosting security, and just making life easier.
And it's not just about easy entry. They can actually up your property value and link to your smart home.
Next, we've got classic swing gates. Super reliable, they look great, and are perfect for wider driveways.
So here's a quick comparison. You're basically choosing between classic style and modern, high-tech convenience.
And let's not forget pedestrian gates. They're great for letting people in on foot. Super convenient.
All right, here's the summary. This table makes it easy to match the right gate to what you really need.
Okay, so you've picked your gate. What's the pro installation process actually like? Let's break it down.
Any real pro follows these 5 steps, and it always starts with them listening to exactly what you want.
Then comes site prep. This means digging deep post holes for a foundation that is absolutely rock solid. When it comes to the install, it's all about precision. Think adjustable hinges for a perfect, smooth swing.
And finally, they test everything, especially safety features, so you know it all works perfectly.
All right, install's done. Now, let's talk money. What kind of budget are we looking at here?
For a pretty standard sliding gate, you're looking at something in this ballpark, depending on size and materials.
And if you want to go fully automatic, the price tag for that convenience usually lands in this range.
The most important thing? A good installer gives you a clear quote. No hidden fees, no nasty surprises.
Okay, your gate's installed. To make it last, though, a little bit of maintenance is absolutely key.
Here's a super simple checklist for you. Doing this stuff regularly will keep it working like new for years.
And hey, if something does go wrong, getting a pro in quickly is the best way to keep things secure.
So, what's the bottom line? Going pro means you get quality that adds real security and value to your home. So we'll leave you with this question. Is your entrance really working for you? Thanks for watching.